Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Because I'm doing so great here. Today we are preparing this special cake. Plain cake, brown cake, and then the mixture of the brown and the plain. On the table I have what it takes to get this out. I have my butter here, flour, sugar, brownie, vanilla, egg, nutmeg, and baking powder. Before we start, I will add the sugar into the butter and then cream it. If you don't have a mixer, you can put your butter and sugar in a bowl and use your spatula to turn it in one direction so you don't add in air to what you are creaming, because it is called creaming. So now I'm going to turn on the mixer, let the butter and the sugar cream very well, to cream until it becomes fluffy. So after some time, you off the mixer, use your spatula to turn everything, then on the mixer again. So guys, after creaming for 30 minutes, this is what our sugar and butter looks like. So now I'll crack in the eggs there and cream before I turn into another bowl to mix. So whenever you are cracking your eggs, I always advise that you crack in a small bowl plate before you turn into anything, because if you crack all your eggs in a bowl at once, you might have one bad egg that will spoil the crate of egg. So just do it bit by bit. So guys, I've put the eggs in. So on the mixer, let the egg mix. So guys, I creamed the butter and sugar, added the egg in here, but because it's a small bowl, I cannot add the flour and other ingredients remaining, so I have to turn it into a bigger bowl to mix. So this is the flour. I'll take 1 teaspoon of baking soda, add it to the flour, nutmeg to the flour, then I'll gradually sieve in the flour into the batter. Then use my spatula to turn in one-way direction. I'll add in vanilla, half tablespoon. this is where the work is now. You have to combine very well. If you have a big mixer, you can do all this in your mixer. I'm done combining this now, so I'll share it into 3 for my mixture. So I'm going to add in some butter here. I'll add in some butter here. Then I'll turn in my browning because I want it to be brown. Then combine everything. It's not brown enough, so I'll add in some more browning. So now I'll prepare I'm baking it here. So I'll rub with some butter so it doesn't stick when the cake is baked. It will come out easily. Then you rub it with some, you dust it with some flour. And take it out. So I'm going to do double colors here. So I'm going to be adding some of the brown batter here. Then I'll take some of the plain batter in here. So this will now become double delight. So now you tap it 3 times to take out the air. So the next one, I'll put the remaining batter in here. Plain brown sugar cake. Dab it with some flour. My oven is already on preheating. My oven is low, medium and high. It's on medium. Tap it 3 times. So this will just be plain brown cake. Then I'll get another pan. Use the butter with a brush. This is locally made pan, not foreign pan, so don't laugh for. Then I'll get the flour. So this is what it looks like. I use the butter to rub it, then I now dab it with flour, poured out the flour, so that the cake will come out easily when it is baked. So now I'll turn in the plain batter. So we will have double delight, plain and brown. So I'll dab it 3 times to take out the air. So like I said, the oven is on, so I'll take them into the oven now to bake. Into the oven now. In the next 30 minutes, one should have baked. So guys, this is after 1 hour 30 minutes. I'm checking this one now to see if it is baked, because the other one's baked at exactly 1 hour. Okay, you can see how brown the top is getting. That means it is baked and my skewer is dry. So I'll bring it out and turn off the oven. So these are the 3 cakes. You have the plain brown, you have the plain, I'll call it vanilla, then this one is double delight. When I cut it, you see what it looks like. See our double delights. So guys, if you are here to subscribe to my channel, please do. If you're just passing by for the first time, keep liking, keep sharing, and keep watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.